Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pottery clay is probably one of the most important materials you will ever use in your pottery journey, directly impacting the final look, feel, and functionality of your pieces. Selecting the right clay can be overwhelming due to the wide variety of options available, each with unique properties and characteristics that cater to different skill levels and project needs. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing the perfect clay for your pottery wheel, ensuring you achieve the desired results and enjoy a fulfilling creative experience. Number 5. National Geographic Pottery Wheel. It's time to get creative. This complete pottery kit has everything you need to create your own beautiful pieces. With 2 pounds of clay, tools, paints, and even an apron, you'll be ready to start crafting right away. It's all here in one convenient kit. It features innovative arm tools to help you center, open, and shape your clay. Perfect for both right and left-handed crafters of all ages. The plug-in motor provides steady power and rotation, with 2 speeds to help you control the process. It's designed for smooth and consistent results. Detailed instructions, video lessons, and a learning guide teach you the science and history of pottery. It's educational and fun. We're committed to providing high-quality, hands-on learning experiences. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know. What we like? It has everything you need to get started, from clay and tools to paints and an apron. Its design makes pottery fun and accessible for young artists. If you're looking for a complete, beginner-friendly pottery experience for kids, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to use, just put down an old shower curtain and let her use her imagination. She is a 10-year-old and created some very nice pieces. Easy to use and set up. Worked so well. Buy extra clay. Our granddaughter was delighted. You will need to help the first time a child uses it, but then they are off to the studio. My 8-year-old granddaughter threw 3 successful bowls on her first tries. 4th one not so lucky. But experience tells this grandma that finding immediate success on a potter's wheel is not so easy. Video is very helpful, making pottery making lots of fun. Number 4. Pottery Wheel 25cm 350W. This pottery wheel is designed for both beginners and experienced potters. Its sleek design and user-friendly features make creating beautiful pottery easier than ever before. It boasts a large 25 cm diameter wheel head and a detachable basin for easy cleaning. The vibrant color and thoughtful design will enhance your crafting experience. Built with a compact, sturdy design, it's easy to use and maintain. The included shaping tools and removable basin save you time and effort. Safety is paramount. It features a 3-wire connection with earth leakage protection for reliable and safe operation. The brushless motor runs smoothly and quietly. Control your speed and direction with ease using both the handle and foot pedal. It's designed for smooth, quiet operation, whatever your skill level. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or professional, it's the ideal tool for your pottery needs. Use it at home, in the classroom, or in your studio. What we like? This pottery wheel boasts a large diameter and a powerful motor. It's built with high-quality materials and safety features. If you need a reliable and durable pottery wheel for professional or serious hobby use, this is a great option. What people say. Solid construction, hilariously simple and genius usage of a scooter handle throttle. By the way, flip it over and peek under the skirt to see what I mean. Motion is very stable, more than enough torque and speed. Perfect for a home studio practice wheel. Quiet and smooth operation. Speed adjustment is smooth and continuous, not stepped or discrete. The actual wheel head is small and for now a bit low for me, 12.6 height of machine, but I will know more after I make improvements on height. As soon as I received the wheel I threw on it and was able to create just as I did on my old wheel that had broken. Number 3. VIVOHOME Pottery Wheel. This pottery wheel is built to last. Its steel body with colorful spray treatment is corrosion and rust resistant. It features a large, high-quality aluminum alloy turntable for smooth operation. You'll appreciate the durability and precision. The advanced brush motor is incredibly quiet, running at under 60 dB. You can focus on your art without distractions. Control the speed with the foot pedal or the handle. It allows for seamless transitions between speeds, giving you ultimate control. It's CE certified and includes safety features like an air switch to prevent short circuits. You can create with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned ceramic artist or just starting out, it's ideal for home use, classes, or studios. It supports the entire pottery making process. What we like. It runs incredibly quietly, allowing for focused work. You can easily adjust the speed using the foot pedal or handle. If a quiet and versatile pottery wheel is your priority, this one is for you. What people say. Heavy and well made. The body is welded metal, not plastic. It seems to be working very well and is quite easy to use and clean. You can use this to throw the smallest of teacups or the largest of pots so long as your pot's base is not larger in diameter than the wheel, which I have not had a problem with. It is a very good entry-level pottery wheel. Easy to use, and a strong frame. Number 2. Mid-High Fire White Stoneware Clay. This clay is perfect for various pottery techniques. It's suitable for wool throwing, hand building, and sculpting, making it ideal for all skill levels. It boasts a wide firing range, from cone 5 to cone 7. This gives you flexibility in your glazing and firing process. This whiteware clay fires to a beautiful white, providing a clean canvas for your artistic expression and glaze application. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this clay is easy to work with. Its smooth consistency makes it perfect for all skill levels. Create tiles, slabs, coils, pinch pots, beads, figurines, sculptures. The possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild. Made with low iron content, it minimizes glaze interaction, ensuring vibrant and consistent results. It's perfect for both functional and decorative pieces. What we like. This clay is suitable for various techniques and skill levels. It fires to a beautiful white, perfect for showcasing glazes. If you want a high-quality, versatile clay for any project, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Very good product. Great to work with on the wheel. Perfectly packed clay double-wrapped and then boxed, to arrive in pristine usable form. And what's not immediately being used can easily be reliably resealed for a later project. Excellent clay, molds well, clings and lets go just as good clay will. Perfect. Arrives quick and fresh and soft. Number 1. NatGeo Pottery Wheel Refill Kit. Unleash your inner artist with this amazing refill kit. It's packed with everything you need to create even more stunning pottery. This kit includes 30 tools and accessories to help you refine your pottery skills. From sculpting tools to paints and gemstones, it has it all. Explore exciting new artistic possibilities. Experiment with pattern rollers, push molds, and an array of vibrant paint colors. Add some extra flair to your creations with our new glow-in-the-dark paints. Pink, orange, purple, and more colors are included. These 5 high-quality wooden sculpting tools will help you shape and sculpt your clay with precision. Take your pottery to the next level. We're committed to providing the highest quality educational toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. This refill kit expands your creative options with extra tools, paints, and even glow-in-the-dark paint. It adds excitement and versatility to your pottery projects. If you are looking to expand your existing pottery kit with extra tools and creative options, this is a must-have. What people say. The wheel spins smoothly, and it's surprisingly sturdy for a kid's pottery set. This expansion pack is a must if you have the National Geographic Pottery Wheel. The extra tools are great for adding fun designs to your clay. It is especially nice to have a roller for when you are wanting thin clay for your project. Creative and unique gift for kids or adults who enjoy crafts. Lots of good tools and prices included. It's a complimentary set for pottery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.